Hi, Chrissy.
Are you recording?
You right?
No.
Why?
Because Polish invaded.
Hey, Paz.
This is the schools which we threw.
Oh, that wasn't part of the deal.
We vacated our room.
Thank you.
Do you feel alright? No.
Hello.
Alright. You felt it?
You're very bright. Turn it to my cameras.
Jesus.
What's going on? Yeah, this is the room.
I have one suit, back in thing, and those toiletries.
Cool. Plonk it in then, Paz.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah. Here's the bathroom. Hi, you didn't come in yet, did you?
No.
See? Your room is miles better.
Look how lovely, look how lovely, stylish.
1970s, that is.
Green round.
No, it's before that.
Carpet is slightly less shit than ours.
Meh.
You filmed it, don't
Yeah, Chrissy wants the full documentation of the room.
you? Why?
Oh, don't deny it now.
Well, what?
Documentation of the room.
I just said take a picture.
Anyway, that's it.